All right, today we're going to talk about a product called Spirulina. Hopefully, I pronounced this right. It's a product that I take occasionally. Again, I take this in the capsule form. It can help slow down the aging process and is also have antioxidants, which is good for a lot of toxins that you have in your body. So it fights free radicals and it can help prevent skin damage. So definitely, this is something to look at. I'm going to have in the description box a list of benefits. Again, you check with your family physician as always. It's again plus and minuses with everything that you intake, but this is something that is, I find that is very good. You can I always say research it as well. Again, you can't go wrong.